Our two main irritants are Pakistan and China, says Army Chief General V.K. Singh. China and Pakistan continue to remain two major irritants to the India's national security, Army Chief General V.K. Singh said today in New Delhi. While addressing a seminar organized by Center for Land Warfare Studies, an army-sponsored think tank, he said the internal condition in Pakistan and its association with some of the militant groups does impact India, and therefore it is of great concern to the Indian Army as well.
We also have two irritants, one mainly in terms of how the situation is in Pakistan, where there is problem of governance, where there is certain amount of support that is being given to some terrorist groups, and where the internal situation is not very good. And therefore, it can have a fallout in terms of how these things impact India.
Furthermore, he said that China, with its rising economy as well as military, is also one of the reasons of worries that lie with India.
We have a rising China, both economically and militarily. Although we have CBMs on place, although we have a very stable border, yet we have a border dispute. And therefore, the intentions need to be looked at along with this additional capability that is coming up. That impacts the way we will task our army and the roles that we will give to it so that it can do the task that the nation wants.
Listing the future threats to India's national security, Singh said the island territories were vulnerable and these needed to be defended well. Meanwhile, though the army chief did not name the Maoist, Singh said internal dissent and insurgency in Jammu and Kashmir and the northeast were the other threats that needed attention. Sandhya with Banjot for ANI.